Today my topic is what is Marshall mix design for bituminous material. इसका आंसर है the selection of the asphalt binder contained with a suitable density which satisfies stability and range of flow values is called Marshall mix design method. The Marshall mix design method was originally developed by Bruce Marshall of the Mississippi Highway Department in 1939. What are the steps of Marshall mix design method? Number 1. Determination of physical properties, size and gradation of aggregates. Number 2. Selection of types of asphalt binder. Number 3. Prepare initial sample, each with a different asphalt binder content. Number 4. Plot the following graphs. Number 5. Determine the asphalt binder content. Number 6. Determine properties of this optimum asphalt binder content by reference with the graphs. Number 7. Evaluate the design with the design required. The mix shall be tested in accordance with the following method. Preparation and testing of Marshall specimen ASTM D1559 using 75 blows per phase. Aggregate greater than 25.4 mm shall be replaced with an equivalent weight of 19 to 25.4 mm material. Bulk specific gravity of specimen ASTM C1188. The values for specific gravities of the aggregate to be used in calculating void shall be taken as the mean of bulk. The adhesion of bitumen to aggregate shall be proven by comparing by stability of specimen cured in water and air for 8 days at 18 degrees centigrade. The coarse aggregate shall show no detrimental amount of stripping of bitumen when tested in accordance with ASTM D1664. Wearing coarse mix shall be subjected to further Marshall test at 80 degrees centigrade after on heating for a period of 2 hours. Mix with a bitumen content corresponding to the maximum allowable for the selected job mix shall be compacted to refusal, and the resulting void in mix shall not be less than 3%. So friends, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे. तब तक के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.